Layo pa nga rin ang sa papaingon day.
Layo din kayo, mga 1 hour and a half ang lakaon.
Mo ba? Lugsong? We are now in a close encounter of a newly discovered cinnamon species here in our island. Sige lang sir, okay ako sir, ay kagool. Mauna ni dire. Asa di mi ato sa una sir, highway man mi ato nang lugsong mig diretsyo. Sa pikas to nga side. Oo, dito sa babaw. Mauna ni? Una ra mauna ni Kani di ba? Ha? Mauna na sir no? Di ni mao. Kani? Kato katong dako. Kato ay. Oo. Okay. Hello, Dugi. Wala ka dako na di. Anak mo man ang punuan, sir. Dako kayo.
Yan ako nagpakuhang panit. Ako man ang ibutang sa kape.
Katong kuan lang clip kaya akong ikuan sa.
So, din mo.
Sige. Ambi dili.
Ako man na siyang i-mix sa coffee.
Sa coffee?
Ang ihang bark.
I-powder nimo or
Powder,
bark lang
powder,
gyud i-powder, i-dry pag no. I-air dry pa.
Siguro mga 3 months na ako dito air dry.
Hala, sige.
Pag mo paliog din og tungkod ba para support.
So, we are on this perilous journey to source our very own Cebu cinnamon. Oh, hope dili mo uwan. Wala, hait lagi ni. Oh my god. How di karabaw. Dili ko magsungkod lal, mas kuyaw. So this is the Cebu cinnamon mo ni dong dako kaayo pre buyag.
Dito sa ikas man, mas dasko pala kita kuana, bulong Luto.
Oh my god. Hala no. Pera buyag.
Siring robaw. Basid mo on.
Hala uy. Pila na ni katuig sir?
Kami mga trabaho na bugang 30 sa Cebu.
30. So ani gitanom sir ni tubo ra ni diri.
Dili ang history dito dani. Kaning area daghan jud ni dire. During Spanish time. Kaning bang wood is dili siya hardwood. Very hardwood.
Mao ba?
Tukol ko ni dagat.
Ang istorya ani giharvest sa mga Spaniards dadun sa Europe para himong mga galyon. Mao nang nahurot-hurot.
Mao ba?
Pagaran ko na sa buhaton ko ng bangka.
Dili galyon.
Tukol ni
Kanang
dagat.
barko ba?
Hala no.
Mao na.
So natural na agyud sa ato So now they are
Two main
harvesting.
reasons that threatens the existence of our Cebu cinnamon. First is the loss of habitat because of massive urbanization. So the rainforest is threatened by the encroaching civilization and urbanization. Another one is the bark stripping practice of the locals who doesn't know how to protect the tree. Just like what happened to this one. They harvested a very large piece and the tree wasn't able to heal himself.
So this is the mark from a previous harvest. It was unscrupulously harvested without minding of the damage of the tree. And it is very sad to note that it's such a very big scar. The tree wasn't able to heal himself because of the very massive cut.
I'm standing here beneath the tree of our very own Cebu cinnamon, a very special tree highly prized for its medicinal and culinary properties.
Naida ko. Okay din na.
Mamunga ba po dahil ni siya, sir?
Nasa po.
Uy, nahulog. Sayang po ang totoo. A bark. Ako like ko, sir.
Una. Kay bakal.
A fresh bark of our kaningag. You won't believe the scent. It's like we are in a cafe eating cinnamon bun. It smells like perfume. It smells like cinnamon bun. And we are so thankful for these people. Sir Jojo Palma. They are the guardians of the forest here in Barangay Cantipla, protecting this very huge Cebu cinnamon. This is century-old tree.
Sa balay niya. Lahit dahil
They found a seedling actually.
dapat silang balay ba?
Mabuhi siya, sir, maski ginaputol yung ugat.
Ako lang naiparang tayong karong hapon.
Oh, okay.
Ba ito yung gupa ito yung balay.
So this
Panday di.
Cebu cinnamon is a family of a laurel. So the aroma is concentrated on the trees and on the bark, on the leaves and on the bark. So we'll try to smell. Crumple. Kahumot. It smells like perfume when it is very fresh. Actually, it doesn't. Oh my God, kahumot. Ay. Lugi ka ni manggani, sir. Umura siya pariha. Dili di ay. Dugi. Naka na, sir. The powdered form of our Cebu cinnamon. After harvesting the bark, the locals here dried it for around 3 to 5 months depending upon the weather. And once it is really dried, they're going to manually powderize it. And this is the result. It is a very nice brown color compared to those commercially sold. And the scent is way better than what we can buy in the grocery stores. And the aroma of this cinnamon is so sweet compared to those who are commercially sold. Oo, sige ko ay ko be. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you like our demo, please subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. We make our videos fun and informative for everyone. Let us hear your feedback. Just comment below. See you next time!